So welcome back students again. Now we will discuss how to find the maximum and the minimum value of the functions like this 7 cos 5 plus 24 sin 5. For this, first of all, we will discuss a general method. Write in your notes to find the heading to find maximum and minimum value of a cos theta plus b sin theta, where theta is an angle and a and b are the real numbers. Okay. So how to find its maximum and minimum value? So remember, first of all, we will draw a triangle, a right angle triangle. This is the general method to find the maximum and minimum value of function of the type a cos theta plus b sin theta. Take this as theta. And one of perpendicular and base as a. If you take perpendicular as a, then b will be the base. Perpendicular is a. And base is b. So what will be the value of hypotenuse? We know that from Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse equals to square root of perpendicular square plus base square. Now if we multiply this a cos theta plus b sin theta with root a square plus b square and divide it also, and don't take this at theta, take another angle. Theta is given in the question. So if we take this angle as a, and if we multiply this bracket by root a square plus b square and divide it also by root a square plus b square, cos theta will be written as it is plus b upon again under root a square plus b square into sin theta. So root a square plus b square into, now this a upon root a square plus b square using this triangle is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. And we know that perpendicular upon hypotenuse is the ratio of sine and reference angle is a. So value of a upon root a square plus b square becomes sine into cos theta plus again this time b upon root a square plus b square. So b is base and root a square plus b square is hypotenuse. So ratio of base upon hypotenuse in terms of a will be cos a. We know that cos a is the ratio of base upon hypotenuse, cos a into sin theta will be there. So it is root a square plus b square into, now look at the term inside the bracket. It is sin a cos theta plus cos a sin theta. So we can write sin a plus theta, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, we know that is sin a plus b. So sin a cos theta plus cos a sin theta is sin a plus theta. Now this is the value of this term, a cos theta plus b sin theta, whose minimum and maximum value we have to find. Before this, in previous classes, we have discussed that sine of any angle lies between -1 to 1. It cannot be less than -1. neither it can be greater than 1. It always lies between -1 to 1. So if we multiply root a square plus b square in all the three terms of this inequality, so minus root a square plus b square. In this also root a square plus b square into sine a plus theta. And in third term also 1 into root a square plus b square. Write the reason. Multiplying by root a square plus b square to all sides. So when we have multiplied by root a square plus b square, this is the value of, we have proved that a cos theta plus b sin theta. Root a square plus b square into sine a plus theta is the value of a cos theta plus b sin theta. So in place of this, if we write a cos theta plus b sin theta, then it lies between minus root a square plus b square to plus root a square plus b square. Means always remember a cos theta plus b sin theta will lie between minus root a square plus b square to root a square plus b square. This is a and this is b. So similarly, if we use this theorem in question number 3e, in which we have to find the maximum minimum value of 7 cos phi plus 24 sin phi. So compare it with a cos theta plus b sin theta, a cos theta plus b sin theta. We know that it lies between minus of root a square plus b square to plus of root a square plus b square. So in place of a, if we write 7, in place of theta, if we write 5, in place of b, if we write 24, in place of theta, if we write 5. So 7 cos 5 plus 24 sin 5 will lie between minus root a square plus b square. This side also root a square plus b square implies minus 49 plus 576. And do you know the sum of 49 plus 576? It is 625, whose square root is 25. It means 7 cos phi plus 24 sin phi. This line by mistake, we have written it cos. So plus 24 sin phi means minimum value of this is minus 25 and maximum value is 25. So we can write maximum value of 7 cos phi plus 24 sin phi equals to 25, and a minimum value of 7 cos phi plus 24 sin phi equals to minus 25. So we are using this as a general rule for a cos theta plus b sin theta lying between minus root a square plus b square plus root a square plus b square, which we have proved in this section. A cos theta plus b sin theta is there. So draw a triangle. Take one of the coefficient a as perpendicular and other as base. Find the hypotenuse. 2a square plus b square. multiply by root a square plus b square, make a bracket, divide by root a square plus b square. So it is a upon root a square plus b square. Cos theta is written as it is plus b upon root a square plus b square into sin theta. I think you must have understood this. We have divided by root a square plus b square inside the bracket. So we have multiplied by root a square plus b square outside the bracket. It is already there. And now a means perpendicular. Root a square plus b square is hypotenuse. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse, we know that is sine. And if we consider this angle to be A, so this is sine cos theta plus cos is sine theta. B upon root a square plus b square is base upon hypotenuse. And then we write the real term a cos theta plus b sine theta in this. Equals to what? This is root a square plus b square into sine a plus theta. Now use the value of sine a plus theta, which always lies between -1 to 1. So if we multiply all the terms by root a square plus b square, so root a square plus b square, sine a plus theta will lie between minus root a square plus b square to plus root a square plus b square. And it is a cos theta plus b sine theta, which lies between minus root a square plus b square to plus root a square plus b square. So take it as a general rule. A cos theta plus b sine theta always lies between minus root a square plus b square to plus root a square plus b square. So if we use it in the given question, value of a is 7, value of b is 24, value of theta is 5. So a cos theta plus b sin theta, or we can write minus root a square plus b square to plus root a square plus b square. In place of a, we can write 7. In place of 5, we write, in place of theta, we write 5. B is 24, theta is 5. So the 7 cos 5 plus 24 sin 5 will lie between minus root 7 square plus 24 square to plus root 7 square plus 24 square. Finally, it is giving the value minus 25 to 25. Minimum value of 7 cos 5 plus 24 sin 5 is minus 25. And the maximum value is plus 25. That's it. Hope you must have understood this. So similarly, you can solve the other questions. So continue to solve and ask your doubts. We will discuss them in next sessions.